told you you were beautiful. Girl, you know but you gave me all the way you loved you. Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you.
Welcome and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show y'all my low energy self-care routine. I'm a normal person who works 40 hours a week, and sometimes I still ain't got the energy to sit up here and do an 80-step beauty maintenance routine. I do take hygiene and beauty maintenance very seriously, so if I don't do a lot of things, I'm gonna make sure I at least do the basics. Like, I'm gonna do something. I put on a nice playlist and I get the action because I ain't got all day and I need to get through this as quickly as possible. I hope that you enjoy this video, and just remember, consistency is key. You don't need to do 50 million thousand steps every single day. Just do something, okay? Just do something. After that 2-step shower, of course, I gotta do skincare, but I'm only in the mood to use 3 products. I chose a serum, an eye cream, and a moisturizer. I make sure I do something to my skin every single day. Like, I don't play about having bad skin. I love for my skin to glow. I just love doing skincare, period. So even when I don't do my full routine, these are the 3 things that I try to make sure I do, especially the eyes, because I look so tired.
Your heart, I'm trying to switch up your cadence. Book flights and vacations, tequila and relations, kissing on new places. Oh, baby, let me change your life. You want to see that you can be anything you want, baby. Let me change your life. You wanna be anything, baby. I can make you right. You wanna see that you can be anything you want, baby. Let me change your life. You wanna be anything, baby. I'm not saying that you incomplete, but just imagine what we'd be if we became one. You deserve someone that'll take you to another level. Let me put you on. You got so much potential, I really am fucking with you. Just open your heart. I'm trying to get you right, take you to the other side. Baby, let me change your life. See, be anything you want, baby. Let me change your life. You wanna be anything, baby. I can make you right. You wanna say you can be anything you want, baby. Let me change your life.
The last step is simple body care. I'm not in the mood to layer different perfumes and body sprays and all that. I'm using 1 body lotion and 1 body spray. I don't even care if the smell lasts until I wake up. I just don't want to go to bed ashy.
like Beyonce, like Trina, like a